Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a warning from health officials about the possibility of the country plunging into a third surge in COVID cases if current restrictions are lifted too fast. The warning comes as Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie painted a stark picture of what a third surge could look like and pleaded with Jamaicans to remain vigilant to avoid the dire forecast. Sasha Lee Hamilton has the details.
This warning from Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton in the weekly COVID conversation.
The possibility, the chances of a third surge or third wave of the virus are real.
The warning comes as he revealed that of 10 positive samples tested recently by the Trinidad-based CARPHA, 7 were found to have the fast-spreading UK variant of the COVID-19 virus.
And it could possibly explain the rate of spread that we have experienced on the second wave or the second surge.
But as new cases start to fall and COVID hospitalizations and deaths decline, a warning to Jamaicans to maintain vigilance to ensure the country doesn't go into a third wave, which the Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisesa McKenzie said would be more dire than the current surge, which has pushed confirmed COVID cases close to 46,000.
Where we could have the possibility of as much as 10,700 cases in the peak week.
In the first wave, the peak week recorded just over 1,000 cases, and in the second wave, which we're still in, the peak week had over 4,000 cases. The forecast for hospitalizations in a third wave provides a shock treatment.
We could be going up to needing as much as 1,900 beds. Do we have 1,900 beds? We do not.
And as for deaths,
now, 180 deaths in 1 week is something that we would not want to see.
But even with the forecast numbers, Dr. Tufton said the Health Ministry has no intention of scaring the populace. For the CMO, this recommendation to mitigate the possibility.
Now is the time that we have to ensure that we take the precautions, that we continue to maintain our restrictions, we decrease exposure, we wear our mask, we keep physical distancing, we stay at home, avoid gatherings, social gatherings, business gatherings, any type of gatherings. We avoid those gatherings to decrease exposure.
Dr. Tufton said Cabinet will be deliberating on what to do. An announcement is expected soon, with the current COVID control and prevention measures set to expire early next week. Sasha Lee Hamilton, TVJ News.